Welcome, you're watching Republic TV with me, Akanksha Khajure. Let's start with the breaking news coming in from the Supreme Court as far as the dog menace is concerned. Supreme Court has passed a slew of directions to Delhi NCR states, MCD and DMC to deal with the menace of stray dogs and order creation of dog shelters across the cities. Supreme Court orders authorities to pick up all the stray dogs in Delhi NCR region from all the localities within 8 weeks and put them in the dog shelters, and no stray dog will be released back. This is a big, in fact, the order that has come in from the top court, an order that has been given to the Delhi NCR state. That means to the national capital UP, Haryana as well, MCD and DMC to deal with the stray dogs and order creation of the dog shelters across the city. What the top court has stated that all the localities within 8 weeks, they will be picking up the stray dogs and put them in the dog shelters. They will construct more dog shelters and no stray dog will be released back now. In fact, Supreme Court was hearing a suo motu case on the stray dog menace and the attack on children, and it came down heavily on the authorities and rejected all the intervention pleas. Let me go across to Ridham Bharadwaj, who's been tracking this story. A scathing remark that has come from the Supreme Court directing the Delhi NCR states, NDMC, MCD as well, to crack down on the stray dogs, make the stray shelters as well and put them all there. Give us more details about what happened in this case today. All right, we seem to have lost that line with Ridham Bharadwaj, but if you can hear me, tell us what happened in this case today. We're learning is that the Supreme Court was hearing a suo motu case on the stray dog attacks on children. What happened in this case? All right, we'll try and reconnect that line with our colleague there who's been tracking all the details as far as this big breaking news is concerned. The Supreme Court has passed a slew of directions to the Delhi NCR states, that is UP, Haryana and Delhi, to deal with the menace of stray dogs. Let me once again go back to Ridham Bharadwaj. Tell us what happened in this case today. We're learning that the Supreme Court was hearing a case on the stray attacks on children. Give us more details.
Let's remember that this is a story that has been picked up by Republic TV. It's been a campaign that has been clearly followed at Republic TV that has been speaking about how stray dogs children and people on the streets. The Supreme Court was hearing this case suo motu. The bench, Justice Pardiwala and Justice Mahadevan, was hearing this matter. There have been amicus and the senior advocate in this case who have suggested that streets should be stray dog free. Justice Pardiwala has said now, it's time now for action and not talk. All these so-called animal lovers, will they be able to bring back those children who have given their life? A very important observation from the Supreme Court. After hearing every side and listening to also the Solicitor General of India appearing for the National Capital Region, he has now said very stern steps need to be taken at the earliest. Now, these are the orders that the Supreme Court has given, which I'm going to be reading out now. A Supreme Court, so the headlines right now, the Supreme Court passes an interim order on action that needs to be taken to make our streets the